President Museveni ebyabigambera izooba obyaba naronda akaruuru omyanya eyatarakikeremu obyabire naronda akaruuru omukyanga ekyarango yatandika na district eya KOLE Lira City hamwe na Lira district kandi enkuyanja y'abahagizi be bayeshwa mu kishayi ekya Akalbanya Senior Secondary School okumwakira.
I am here with the other leaders from Kampala to present to you the manifesto of the NRM for 2026-2031.
Okoth Boniface mukuru wa NRM ahabwa KOLE district yasima President Museveni ahabwe byabakorire konka yaashaba kwayongera amani omumashomero agwa mu kicweka ekyo.
Each year, an estimated 42 students are enrolled from KOLE district. This has offered hope to many. However, the number is still small. As per NDB4, completion rates for P7 are still 40%, with some districts and rural schools reporting lower rates.
Lao penyo University President Museveni omio. Lao penyo ni yil marorom medagatal melira. It is now a regional referral hospital.
President Museveni yagambira abahagizi be ngo abasize kutereza ihanga kuruga ahirru kutandikira kuhika ahirru kukoma.
Ilao kede Uganda.
Because Uganda had become very unstable.
Pen Uganda no berameno tieke de rushu aduong abonkuch.
And it was unstable
dang rushu no tie
because of bad politics.
Pen we be one opeti abe.
The politics of identity.
No bedo kop me we be me poha poha.
Of religion
amejoneno dini
and tribes.
Kede kaha.
NRM believes in unity of the people of Uganda.
Party me NRM bedo kede bedo neno menote ejo.
To create prosperity for themselves.
Mekelo lonyo kede don lobo.
That's how we were able to bring unity, and unity has enabled us to form a national party which unites all Ugandans.
President hona yagambira abahagizi be ebintu ebyayerekerire okukora omunchiro erukwija kwaragisinje.
We don't want homes without lonyo.
Peomito berokede wiudi kede ota me lonyo pe yere ame chantie yere.
And that is why all these years from 1997
enomio cha here mwa hatutumia chel mia bongwen pirabongen we abiro.
Well, first of all, when we came into government, we knew the whole story about Uganda and the world and Africa.
Ame wano bino iloch, wano bino ngeo koshe jami dushu kede ngech dushu akwaho Uganda kede Africa kede lobo dushu.
And we knew that wealth is very crucial.
Dangotenge oni lonyo bedo gina pire tek.
Some of the people don't need, they can go, they have their own money, they can use their own savings.
Jokenete kede chenegi, amegino goho gini amegino romo gini teach kede.
Others can go to the bank and borrow.
Jokene uromo ri bank tedeno kachente.
But we had our people who could not go to the bank.
Eto no tike de jowa menope romo oti bank medeno chente.
And who did not have their own savings.
Eto dang no pay kede chenegi.
That's why we started in 1997 with what we called Entandikwa.
Ahabyentunguka eya Uganda yashobora okubyeyonjire arukwecho kureberaho ecyashukari eyeyonjire kuhika haritani miliyoni 5 okuruga haritani 500.
The cows in Uganda were 3 million.
Doka menuti Uganda ikara national bedo million a dek.
They are now 16 million.
Amani nitie doktie million a para bishel.
You look at maize.
Ineno kop menyoage.
Maize we used to produce 500,000 tons.
No to nuwani tons mia beach.
We are now producing 5 million tons.
Mando rito akaduke the tons million a beach.
You look at sugar cane.
Amakuraga gashakwa Abdukarimu Sengendo ahabwa TV West.